Hi everybody, we're here in Carteret Mobile Park and I'm going to show you the final video of this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath house that we're selling in Carteret Mobile Park. So as you know, I've been doing ongoing videos of this house as it's been being built. So now we're at the final stage. We've done the maintenance-free decorative rocks. Most people prefer that now than to grass. We've got the shed in place, storm doors in place, and the gutters in place. So we're gonna take a look at this house. Go all the way back here. You've got your central air conditioning, your little shed, and you maintain the little grassy area in the back. So there you have it. This is your outside. It gives you privacy against the other house. And we have to have 2 doors by federal law. And there's the flyer if you want to grab one when you drive by. Otherwise, you can make an appointment and see this house as a qualified buyer. So here's your living room. I'm going to close the door so you can see how quiet it is. And you have a ceiling fan up there. Very, very nice. And lots of space. Look at this view. What a beautiful little kitchen. It's really lovely. Really pleased how this came out. We did the brand new gray all wood cabinetry. It's called Timberwolf. And you have 4 appliances. Your Whirlpool refrigerator, your Whirlpool old dishwasher, and your Whirlpool stove oven combination, and then the microwave. There you have your double stainless steel sink. You've got a spray hose mount there for your spout. Take a look at it from there. And this house we designed with that white New York subway tile. Really loving that look. Really cheerful and bright. So let's take a look at the living room from this angle. You've got your dining area. All LED lights above. Isn't that pretty? Big windows, really insulated. So again, I can close this back door and you're not even going to hear a sound from the roadway. It's really quiet. So you've got 1 bedroom back here. And you've got your furnace there, and you've got your heat and your central air conditioning running through that system. This is your first bedroom. Big closet. You've got your screens there for your storm doors. And you can always put those under the house or in the shed. And then the other bedroom is on the other side of the house so that you have privacy. And you've got your washer and dryer hookup there. Pick whatever you like. You've got upper cabinetry. Then you've got your bathroom. Isn't that pretty? I love that countertop. And a framed mirror. And a little window. And behind the door, you have more cabinetry. You can put your linens in there. This is the 1-piece shower stall. And you put a really heavy glass shower door on it. And this is the fiberglass 1-piece unit with 2 seats. There's one, there's 2. And let's turn it around and look at the bathroom from this angle. Got a little cosmetic box above the commode. Lots of really nice features. Let's go back out. Again, there's your laundry area. And then here's your master bedroom. It's a great area. And again, your walk-in closet. Oops, I had these doors open so that you could see my decorations. I stage and decorate the houses so you can get an idea of what your home would look like. This is about the size of a twin, so you could easily fit a queen or a double here. And then behind the other door there, you have your hot water heater. And there you have it. So, if you email me at info@dolanhomes.com, I'd be happy to send you our informational email. And if you're continue to be interested after receiving that, you can email me for the 15 pre-qualifying questions to be able to get a tour. And we happily and easily give out our resident application and the lease and the rules and regulations that go with the lease so that everybody knows what's expected when you live in a land lease community. So we look forward to helping you out and helping you find a beautiful place to live. And it all starts with an email, info@dolanhomes.com. Thanks for stopping in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This helps other people find out about us. The more you guys like and subscribe, the more Google algorithms send the same information to other homeowners looking for a place that's just like this. Thanks again for stopping by. Like and subscribe. Bye.